Alright, so in this video we're going to get into actually labeling our data to be all of our displays, all our charts to be a product for somebody. So one of the things that we're kind of missing here is labeling, but good thing is we have a lot of options when it comes to that. We can even do things like bringing in images, and I just have this random crime scene picture. This is photo right here, and we can just sort of take that and I'll just sort of align that in here, and we'll just say, let's get a text box going right here, and I'll say crime data for, and all right, and we'll take that and we will change over here on the right hand side. Let's take the size, bring that up. That's a perfectly fine text. Let's throw that in, right? Let's go ahead. We could give it a background if we wanted. So like we can give it a header color. Let's take, I can't use a theme. I don't know why I clicked that. Let's go ahead and just pick this right here. And we can move that box, change it the size of it to make it clearer. Header, you know, so if I move this back and forth, that'll stay centered. We have these little guides here. Let's actually bring that down. Or actually, we'll bring this up and we'll go ahead and we'll duplicate that. Actually, one cool thing you can do in here is you can just hit Control V and then you'll get a copy, and we'll say crime by category, and then we will actually bring the same one over to the next page. We'll throw this in, say crime by category, and we'll actually stretch this out to match both ends. And let's go ahead and do the same thing over here. And after this, I'm going to show you how to actually share this out so that we can have this available to somebody. Right now, you can just move the arrow keys to manipulate this, stretch it side to side. Crime by city distribution. All right, that looks good. So when we want to finally share this, let's go ahead and view it to make sure that it's good. So now this is labeled, looks acceptable. Definitely do some more styling here to make everything look a little prettier. But we have a data report. We have a full data product right now. And if there's any different question that your customer or your agency or whoever wants to know, then you just need to play around with the charts and try to get it there. And at that point in time, you can just share. So you can get a report link, you can download the report, you can invite people to it, or you can just share it out to the public, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and download report as all pages. I'm going to download that as a PDF. And that's another thing too. You can get that and you can email that out. It's pretty neat, pretty useful. A lot of people have, you know, some sort of interest or value into this. So anyhow, I thought that this would be useful for you. Thank you for hanging out in this course. If you haven't seen the other videos, go check those out. Follow through. If you have any questions,